Welcome traders. In this module, we're going to be discussing the different market and instruments. So what are the different markets and instruments which you can actually trade in the financial market? Well, the most popular one is Forex. Forex basically is the buying and selling of currency pairs. So for example, you could be trading the United States dollar versus the South African rand. Or the most popular one is you could actually be trading the euro versus the United States dollar. So different countries have their different currencies, and basically you will be trading those currencies against each other. The next one is metals. So this can be gold, silver, and platinum, also including palladium as well in some brokers. In this, you will actually be trading the price of gold, silver, and platinum against either the dollar, the pound, or even maybe your local currency. Here you'll be trading that the price will either go up and go down, and if your speculation is correct, you will make money in the process. Another market you could also trade is commodities. Commodities includes things like cocoa, wheat, sugar, and also things like oil, Brent crude. Uh, these are markets basically which you will be a specialist at. A lot of people who specialize in commodities are really specialists at this, and they kind of know exactly how the market is going to move, and they do a lot of research in regards to the different commodities and the seasonality of some of these commodities. Now, one which has become quite popular in the past couple of years is indices, specifically NASDAQ. NASDAQ, the DAX, and FTSE. Now, what indices are is that it's actually a collection of different companies, and they actually make an indice of all these companies. So, for example, the NASDAQ is the top 30 technology companies in the United States, and they basically give it a weighting based on those top 30 companies, and based on that, the price will go up or down. Now, with indices, they tend to move very, very quickly. So there's a lot of money to be made in indices quite quickly. But also on the downside of that, if you don't know what you're doing, you could also lose a lot of money. So uh, indices is one thing to look out for. And also we're going to give you a strategy at the end of this, which will also be able to trade indices. Now, another thing which people are very popular, who's very popular in trading, is actually equities. Equities basically is the buying of companies. So you could actually buy some Amazon stock or some Facebook stock or some Google stock, and hoping that the price of that company or the share value of that company is going to go up or it's going to go down. And you will make money basically if you speculate correctly, if the price is going to go up or it's going to go down. So these are the main markets you can actually trade in the financial markets. Now, in this course, we're going to be focusing specifically on Forex and Forex pairs. Now, why would we focus on just Forex? So there's a couple of reasons. And one of the best reasons is that Forex is actually the most liquid market in the world, with 6.6 trillion traded daily. Now, I know this statistic is actually thrown around quite a lot, but I want to explain it a little bit more. With liquidity, if you take a trade on any Forex pair or most Forex pairs, if you are buying, you need a seller on the other side of that pair. Because the Forex market is so liquid, you will never run into a situation where there is no buyer or seller on the other side of your trade and your price on your trade does not get filled. So Forex is the most liquid market and there's always liquidity in the Forex market. Another benefit of Forex is that it's actually open 24/5, meaning that the market is open from Monday until Friday. Friday night the market closes. So you could actually trade 24 hours a day during Monday to Friday in the Forex market. Unlike some other markets where they actually close on a daily basis at around 6 p.m., depending on the country. But with Forex, the market is actually always open from 24 hours a day from Monday to Friday. Another thing about Forex is that it's actually got a very low barrier to entry. So, what do I mean by this? In the Forex market, you can actually start trading with just $100 in your account. And you can actually start your trading account and start your trading journey. Other markets have higher barriers to entry where you'd probably need $1,000 or $2,000 in your account before you can actually start trading. But with Forex, you can actually start with as little as $100. Some brokers as little as $10, and you can actually start trading with your Forex account. Okay, guys, that's it for this module. I'll see you in the next one.